Wednesday, August 3rd, Crow's Bridge. Yesterday our Legion entered the village of Crow's Bridge and halted there for the night. We are just 4 days' march from the besieged city of Madrigal now, and with a little luck should arrive there in time to prevent its capture by the enemy. Shiva, one of the Fallen Lords, has been attacking the city for 2 days, but so far has been held back by its defenders. We all know the battle for Madrigal will decide the fate of all the northern lands, and that if it falls we will soon have nowhere to retreat but the ocean. Fearing for their safety, the villagers here pleaded with us to remain when we broke camp this morning. None of them understand yet what is happening, but they have all seen the refugees from the south, and they are frightened. Our officers seemed unsympathetic until the people returned with 9 young pigs and 10 dozen loaves of bread. 15 of us are to stay now, perhaps to fight boredom instead of the Fallen Lords, and watch the bridge here for 2 days.
The bridge is being attacked. Let's get out of here.
We're moving.
Got it.
Good luck at the bridge.
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yeah.
We're moving. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. On my way.
Sir?
What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ready?
Move here, move there.
Ready?
Yeah? Make up your mind.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
We're moving. Yes.
What now? Okay.
We're moving. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Make up your mind.
God, let's get them.
Yes?
Yes, sir. We're on it.
Sir? Right away. Right away. All
Stand
right.
clear.
All right. Right away.
Step aside.
On the way.
Step aside.
Right away.
And
Watch
stay
it.
down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Move here, move there.
Yes, sir.
Yes? Sir? All right. Ready?
Got it. Got it.
Ready?
Yeah. Make up your mind. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Make up your mind. Yes. Move here, move there. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Got Got him!
What now? Move him.
Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's get him.
Ready? Sir, that was mine.
Yeah.
Hey, move it. Yes!
Incoming.
Yes?
Let's get him.
Ready? Money.
Yes, yes. On it, got it. We're on it. Yes, sir.
Yeah!